live music, lights, and cold breeze. This is Lake Pichola, Udaipur on New Year's Eve 2020. An amazing experience in the city of lakes, Udaipur. This was a wonderful end of the fifth day of my trip. But what we did during the day? Let's see. Hello everyone, welcome to Explore for More. This is day 5 of my trip and we are on our way to Ranakpur Jain Temple after checkout from Club Mahindra Kumbhalgarh. It's 50 kilometers distance and will take approximately 1.5 hours to reach there. After seeing Ranakpur Jain Temple, we'll move ahead to Udaipur. Roads are not good and pass through the narrow lanes of these villages on the way. We are moving down the hill through various bends and turns on the road. This impacted the mileage of the car, for which a separate video is already uploaded on the channel. So we are in Ranakpur now, and this is the famous temple, which is also one of the largest temple of Jain culture. It's made up of marble and is famous for intricate carving done with great skill and artistry. There are total 1,444 marble pillars in the temple. There's a lot of carving on the pillars and no two pillars are same. Phones are allowed inside the temple after paying charges of rupees 100. Now we are on our way to Udaipur, the city of lakes, a distance of around 90 kilometers from Ranakpur. Enjoying this drive and road trip on Kia Sonet HTK Plus automatic version of our car. It's been 5 days since we left Pune and we have been enjoying our trip thoroughly till we reached Udaipur. Had some mixed experiences over the next 2 days. There was unexpectedly heavy traffic in Udaipur to the extent of having traffic jams and chaos on the roads. Now about this hotel which we had booked online just 3 days before our arrival due to last minute cancellation of our stay which we had planned earlier. So the good things first, the best part about the hotel was its location by Lake Pichola. What you see in these pics is the Lake Pichola. All these pics have been taken from its rooftop restaurant where we had dinner with family and welcomed the new year. In all other aspects, the hotel was just below expectations, be it the poor access of the hotel, the parking, cleanliness, food, service, or the attitude of the staff. That too in a tourist destination like Udaipur. But as it is rightly said, all is well that ends well. So we ended the day as well as the year with a happy note. A beautiful morning in Udaipur and we have planned for sightseeing of the city today. Due to heavy traffic and narrow lanes of some of the locations, we hired this auto for the entire day to take us to all the places. Let's have a glimpse of all the places we visited along with the entry charges and the reviews. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and click the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.